For geometry, first chapter, similarity. First theorem, ratio of areas of two triangles. We know that area of a triangle is equal to half base into height. Consider a triangle ABC, AD perpendicular BC. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base BC into height AD. Second triangle PQR, PS perpendicular QR. Area of triangle PQR is half into base QR into height PS. Divide first equation by second, half gets cancelled. We get area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into AD upon QR into PS. BC and QR are corresponding bases. AD and PS are corresponding heights. Therefore, the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their corresponding bases and corresponding heights. In general, suppose delta 1 and delta 2 are two triangles. Their corresponding areas A1, A2, corresponding bases B1, B2, corresponding heights H1, H2. Then A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Now special cases. If two triangles have equal or same heights, they have equal heights, say H1 is equal to H2, then A1 upon A2 is B1 upon B2 because H1, H2 gets cancelled. So if two triangles have equal heights or the same height, then the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of corresponding bases. Second case, if two triangles have equal bases or the same base, that is B1 equal to B2, then A1 upon A2 we get it equal to H1 upon H2. That is, if two triangles have equal bases or the same base, then the ratio of their areas is equal to ratio of their corresponding heights. If two triangles have equal bases and equal heights, that is the third case, then we get A1 equal to A2. So main theorem, ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to ratio of the product of the corresponding bases and corresponding heights. If two triangles have equal heights, then the ratio of areas is equal to the ratio of their bases. If two triangles have the equal bases, then the ratio of the areas is equal to ratio of the heights. And if two triangles have equal bases and equal heights, then their areas are also equal. Now we consider a couple of examples. Suppose we have two triangles. First triangle base 9, height 5. Second triangle base 10, height 6. So say B1 9, H1 5, B2 10, H2 6. So ratio of their areas A1 upon A2, B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. So it is by our theorem of ratio of areas of two triangles. Put the values of b1, h1, b2, h2. Finally you get the answer a1 upon a2, 3/4, that is a1 is to a2 is 3 is to 4. Another example, suppose we have triangle ABC and triangle DCB. AB perpendicular BC and DC perpendicular BC. AB is 9, DC is 12. We have to find the ratio of area of triangle ABC and area of triangle DCB. Now these two triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle DCB, have the same base BC or common base BC. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DCB is equal to height AB upon height DC by our theorem, that is triangles having the same base. So this ratio is 9/12, that is 3 is to 4.